Number 1. Chittorgarh Fort. Chittorgarh Fort is one of the most important places to visit in Chittorgarh. This historical fort is the pride of the Rajasthani town as it stands imposingly upon the top of a hill. Looking down protectively over the city, nearly all of the Chittorgarh's attractions are housed inside the fort. The Chittorgarh Fort is a massive structure which was first built in the 7th century and covers an area of approximately 700 acres. Number 2. Rana Kumbha Palace. Rana Kumbha Palace is the oldest palace within the fort and tales claim that it is one of the most haunted places in Rajasthan. The series of canopied balconies, stables of horses and elephants of the palace are a must visit on your Chittorgarh visit. They say that after the valiant defeat of Rana Kumbha, his queen Rani Padmini committed Johar and their spirit still haunts the place. Number 3. Fateh Prakash Palace. Fateh Prakash Palace is an epitome of modern architecture named after Maharana Fateh Singh. It is the house of an idol of Lord Ganesha beautifully placed in one of the most frequently visited places of Chittorgarh. There is an array of beautiful wall paintings and murals because of which it is now a popular museum. Number 4. Kalika Mata Temple. Built originally in the 8th century, this serene temple was dedicated to the worship of the sun god before it was converted into a shrine for Kalika, an incarnation of goddess Durga, in the 14th century. This temple is one of the most important pilgrimage attractions in Chittorgarh and should not be missed when touring the grounds of Chittorgarh Fort and is one of the best places to visit in Chittorgarh. Number 5. Padmini's Palace. Located inside the Chittorgarh Fort, the Padmini Palace has a unique history attached to it, making it one of the must-visit attractions in Chittorgarh Fort. This palace was the reason for the battle between Alauddin Khilji and Rana Ratan Singh. Padmini Palace was the very first legendary palace from where Alauddin Khilji was permitted to obtain a glimpse of Padmini in a mirror placed in the main hall, and is one of the best places to visit in Chittorgarh. Number 6. Sita Mata Wildlife Sanctuary. Sita Mata Wildlife Sanctuary is one of the loveliest places to visit in Chittorgarh. This wildlife sanctuary is a place where nature works its wonders in the form of teak, bamboo, tendu, amla and salar forests, the Jakham and Karmoi rivers and the countless birds and animals that inhabit it. The forest takes its name from the legend of Sita attached to it. Number 7. Meera Temple. In the vicinity of Chittorgarh Fort stands the proof of true love and devotion that Meera had for Lord Krishna. One of the most important temples in Rajasthan, the charm of the idols of Lord Vishnu and other goddesses make the temple the most beautiful place to visit in Chittorgarh. Meera uses to spend hours and days expressing her devotion through bhajans and people still gather for the hymns of dedication to Krishna. Number 8. Vijay Stambh. Vijay Stambh Fort, the Victory Tower in Chittorgarh, is an imposing monument that was built by Mewar King Rana Kumbha after their combined armies with Mahmud Khilji. One of the most popular tourist places in Chittorgarh, the structure of the tomb looks appealing with all the intricate carvings and designs. Since it is dedicated to the Lord Vishnu, you will notice a variety of Hindu gods and goddesses inscribed on the tomb. Number 9. Samaraiyaji Temple. Samaraiyaji Temple is one of the most renowned places to visit in Chittorgarh. The massive temple complex is considered second in religious importance only to the Krishna Temple in Nathwada and is a popular pilgrimage shrine in Rajasthan. Located approximately 40 kilometers away from Chittorgarh, this temple is a lovely place to spend a couple of pious hours in. Number 10. Satish Deori Temple. Located inside the Chittorgarh Fort close to Fateh Prakash Palace, this temple is one of the best sacred places to visit in Chittorgarh Fort. The temple forms a part of the Jain temple complex and is the largest amongst them. This massive Shwetambar Jain temple was built in the 11th century and celebrates the life and virtues of Bhagwan Adinatha. Hope you enjoyed this video. We have taken this initiative to promote the tourism in India and your support motivates us. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and also press the like button. Do tell us in comment section about your visit to these places and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this.